Okay. So, I'm sorry for not doing that. You know, I had no ideas. Now, I'm very fucking scared. But, I'm playing Ultra, the normal, not Ultra build. I got the normal nailgun mod installed. Fun mod. Fun mod. I'm more terrified than fun, because the projectiles had turned to rockets. For some reason, they become rocket-shaped. And now, I've been jump-scared by the fucking overheat nail gun. Like it's fucking Slender Man. Slender Man. Gonna kill these fuckers. I don't feel like dealing with you. Go back to get that skull. After I clear the way. Because I want this because I'm not dealing with the fucking hideous mask. I'm very fucking scared. Okay. The reason why I'm terrified is because if I pick up please tell me that comes back on its pedestal. And I should have put it on this. There we go. See? Perfectly fine. I kind of relaunched the game a couple of times, and I don't think this is what's happening, unless it is. I am definitely uninstalling this mod and fucking open. Definitely changing validating that. God damn. Oh god damn! You evil fucking bastard. I'm not falling for that. God. So, as you can tell, I was not paying for ass. My ass. See, I don't have the number anymore. They took it away from me. They said, sorry, buddy. You don't deserve this. And fucking took it away from me. Wait a minute. How did it go? I should bring this show up. The one had the... well, that was the video I wanted to say, and I am getting rid of this fucking mod. I never want to see this shit ever again. Also, sorry for the fans and air conditioner. I want to make my room cold. Also, recommend checking out this mod. It's not any I'm not like as fuck. I'm planning to do it from the Fog series this time, more heavily based on like the librarians video on it, cause what the new series of librarians with the sleepless. So I recommend checking out, as previously stated, the Tortured Machine V1. Basically makes the skin, the not the skins, the fucking models, not the design of it, fucking way better. Well, not way better, like more good. I don't know how to say it, so just check out the mod. Be terrified of the normal nailgun mod. I'm fucking with you. Just have a great day. And if I do that, fucking from the Fog series, well, I do it. So, thanks for watching. But I'm sorry, I've been dragging this on. Goodbye.